Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a very cute and simple gazebo in Heartopia. So this is going to be super simple, but you're going to be able to decorate it however you want. So start by laying floors, so 3 by 2 here. And then actually, we're going to do, well, let's do this one first because I get a little bit confused with the measurements. And then we are going to go. Okay, let's put on the low wall first. I'm just going to put the walls around like so. And then make another one. You can also make it as small or as big as you want. Maybe not make it too small though. And then we're going to also put low walls like surrounding the um, floors we have here. I'm just gonna put it like so. And then on the other side. And then just to close everything out here. Whoops. There we go. And then you're going to want to place floors on the low walls. You can place them on the floor, but right now I'm not too bothered about it because you can't really see it anyways. So you don't have to place it on the floors. Just put it on top of the low wall. There you go. And then we're going to just place the wall here. You'll see in a minute why I do this. And then I'm just going to grab this pillar. You can use any pillar that you want. I'm just going to choose the wooden pillar. And I'm going to place it here. So I want to put 2 here and then 2 here. Oh, actually, let me make it the same height first as the wall here, like so. And then, oh, I do have to adjust it every single time. Actually, I don't. Then I'm just going to place it surrounding the area like this. Okay. Then once you're done with that, you're just going to place the floor. We're going to place it on this wall over here. And we're just going to surround the entire thing like so. Then we're just going to delete this wall, and we're then going to put the low wall all around this area on the roof, like so. Oops. And then we're going to also put it in the middle of everything here. Whoops. Like so. And then you can put bushes all around the roof, but let me just remove the center of it. So go to the other materials and if you have these already, you can put it on top to just make it a little bit prettier. You can also arrange it however you want, of course. Whoops, not there. And I'm just going to put this as well here. Okay, I'm gonna put the pink one in the middle of it all. Like so. And then after this, I'm just going to decorate it and I'll be back with the final result. I think I'm just gonna record it and speed it up so you can see how I'm decorating it. But at this point, you can decorate it however you want. Also, side note, you can also place fences here if you like to. Like here, just for a nice touch. But again, I'm going to decorate it and I'll be right back with the finished results. Alright, so here is the final look. I did add like a sunken sofa, but again, you can decorate it however you want, and it definitely needs to be a little bit brighter in this area, but yeah, that is how you can create this super simple and cute gazebo in Heartopia. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!